Hi everyone, finally I'm here on YouTube. For the past few years I've been more active on Instagram and Facebook but never been to YouTube. So I think my friends lately they have been pushing so hard and telling me, motivating me to come to this medium. So here I am. So basically this channel would be more into unboxing new gadgets, new gears, new photography gears, and also tutorials about photography and cinematography. So please do support by subscribing and sharing it to your friends. I'll be coming up more contents, better content, and very valuable content. So I received a package for my first unboxing today. So thank you Rainbow Digital, Guwahati and Godox for providing me this product. So this product is basically for mobile bloggers. It is a Godox VK3 UC for Android mobile phones, and it comes also with another model which is of VK3 LT, which is for iPhone users. So without further ado, let's unbox it. So these are all the things which comes in the box. The Godox VK3 UC. This is particularly, as I have mentioned before, this is for Android version. There is a separate model available for iPhone users. So since I am basically using Android phone, so I'll be unboxing this. Firstly, this handy and very small, and it's a very lightweight light, which comes with a diffuser, and this is the power of the light. Wow. So this particular light has 13 effects. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if I can 6, yes, 7, 8, it's slightly blinking, 9, 10, this is I think the police van interceptor light, 11, this is parking, indicator or parking, 12, another one blue, and this is 13 SOS. So this is very handy. It comes with 13 FX light effects. So let's off this. So again it comes with a mobile holder, which you can either do it vertically or horizontal. You can use it. So I'll be showing it later on after assembling it. Also this tripod, Godox made tripod with a ball head. You can turn and move around. You can also extend. There are possibilities to extend. If you want tall or if you want short, you can extend it. There is a possibility to do it. Let's keep this aside. So the main attraction of this is the Godox Genuis Mic UC. This is genius, very genius. Genuis Mic UC. It also comes with a foam inside for windscreen. While you're recording outside or in a very noisy situations, this particular thing will reduce the noise which will be recorded in your audio. So we'll try it out with USB cable also. Then here in the white box we have a dead cat inside. This also works as a windscreen. It also reduces the ambient sound or the unwanted noise which will be occurring in your surroundings while you are recording the audio. And what's there inside? There is also another thing. This is a bag inside, a cover, so that I think you can put everything inside this and carry along when you're traveling. So these are the things which comes along with the VK3 you see vlogging kit. Sorry, not the mobile. So let me keep this aside. So let's assemble and try it out how it looks. Change the FX to so now it's set up. We can do the vlogging. So I have done the assembling and we are set to go. So I'll come with another video of the quality of the sound, light, and how sturdy is the tripod. So we'll bring that in another episode. So question is, for whom is this particular product? So this product is basically for iPhone and Android users, those who have initially started blogging or creating content for YouTube, Instagram. So this product MRP is 8,490, but in the market it's available under 7,000. So I guess if you want your video to be outstanding and if you want to have a quality product even by recording through your mobile, I think this is the product that you should get. So stay tuned for another episode.